Pear Deck's website URL feature allows you to direct your students to another website while keeping them connected to the original Pear Deck. This is a great way to guide them to an online simulation, news article, or research site. This Pear Deck slide option is a great platform for guiding students to relevant and valid sources. To create a new website slide, click the plus icon and select the slide format that you'd like to use for this question. The slide itself can be a question, instructions, or anything else that supports the student's use and access of the website. They're able to transition between the slide instructions and the website itself very easily. To add the Pear Deck features, click on the website button in the Pear Deck menu to your right. From here, you can paste or type the website's URL that you'd like the students to access. Below the URL, Pear Deck will give you a preview of the site that you are directing your students towards. Double check that the website appears as it should before hitting the update slide button. Once the bar at the bottom loads, the slide will direct students to the website of your choice without redirecting their attention away from your Pear Deck.